At Ramp, we admire the plans that you have for your business, and we believe in the goals that you want to achieve. Through our expertise, we also understand the challenges that you face as a small business and the steps that you need to take so that you can grow your business steadily at your own pace. Digitization and even robotics could be a solution, but it is difficult to know where to start. With Ramp, simplify and digitize your business. With our data visualization service, gain visibility across the stages of your production process like never before, and accurately monitor operations. Our smart systems and modular solutions allow for scalability and integrations with third-party assets. By implementing and ensuring the agility of your business, we help you accelerate productivity, improve product quality, and reduce turnaround time. Explore a wide range of solutions. Join Ramp today.